Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Again with you, Omar from Brasberg Motorsports. Today we have a 2013 BMW M5, and we're going to be showing you the step-by-step and do the unboxing for this front dash cam. Picked this up from China. They're claiming that you don't have to run any harnesses across the headliner. You're not going to have a charger dangling from the rear view camera, from the rear view mirror, or anywhere. And supposedly it comes with a harness that will use the connector that goes to the rain sensor, or the rain/light sensor, and then it will divert it from there to this and the rain light sensor, and you will get 4K camera. You can install a SD card and also connect to Wi-Fi to your phone via Wi-Fi. So let's go ahead and jump to the unboxing and see if that's true. All right, that's the part over here, or the new dash cam. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this thing. I've already opened it once just to take a look at it. It comes with a installation manual. It comes with a clip remover, pretty solid. And this is the dash cam and the harness. So let me put this stuff back in here so we can go over this pretty quick. All right, so that's the harness. This is so basically the connector that goes to the rain sensor is gonna go here. And from there you're gonna give power to the rain/light sensor, and this will go to the camera. That's what the connector looks like. It's got that guide pin on the top, so make sure you install it. It's facing, it's directional, so make sure you have it in the right direction. And then as far as our camera, this is what the camera looks like. That's where you put the SD card on the side here, and it looks pretty slick. I mean, that's just a cover. That's just a cover on the camera. We'll keep that on there until we're done. But that's how you take a picture or snap over there. You turn it on. I haven't tested this out yet. I'm planning to get one for my 4 Series as well, if this actually works properly with the description they actually claim. So this one says 4K 2160p. So let's go ahead and just open this, because we are gonna need to have this. We're gonna need to have this open to be able to install it. So just have clips on the inside, and then I'm pretty sure there we go. So clips all around it, as you see. They seem to be solid too. Like it doesn't feel cheap, if that makes sense. The plastic outside or the finish could have been better, I would say. But the clips and the plastic quality seems to be good. So I'm gonna take this inside the car. We're gonna take out the original one and jump straight to it. So the first thing you want to do, you want to grab a plastic clip remover, and you're gonna open it just like that from the center, and then they both pop out. Now I'm gonna put those aside. That's what the housing looks like. The connector we're gonna be looking for is the one that goes to the rain sensor, and that piece is the one between the housing and the headliner. We'll put that back later, but that's our purple connector right there, and it doesn't have a tab on it, so you can just simply pull it and it will come right off. Now that your connector is off, you're gonna grab the harness that came with the camera that we showed in the beginning, and you're gonna connect the one from the car to that harness. And now we're gonna use that black connector that's on the harness from the camera, and we're gonna plug that in to the rain sensor, just where the purple one was. And the last connector we have, which is the circular with a notch, that one is gonna go on the camera. Those, like I mentioned earlier, are directional, so make sure you fit it properly with the notch in the right direction. So the trickiest part is going to be tucking in that harness, that excessive harness you're gonna grab the housing or half of it, the piece that goes on the driver's side first, because that's the one that the harness is connected to, and you're gonna try to align that properly. You gotta make sure that one is seated properly before you try and install the rest of it. And tucking in the harness was not a big challenge. You just had to make sure that it's tucked in there properly, close to the housing. And I did test this out after the video. It didn't create any rattling or anything like that. Everything was tucked in properly, and the look was pretty much OEM. As you see there, I'm trying to get the harness seated properly. You're gonna have to give it a couple tries, try a few things, take a good look at it. It's different from one car to the other with these, because some cars have more sensors up on the windshield, like lane departure and whatnot. Now we're gonna go ahead and insert the piece between the headliner and the housing before we try to snap the rest of the dash camera. I'm talking about the piece on the passenger side. Now that the harness is tucked in, I'm gonna attempt to snap the second piece of it, or the last piece in the dash cam, and just make sure it's aligned, and then snap it just like you see I did in the video, and it should sit right. If it's coming and snapped, that means either it's not aligned or the harness wasn't tucked in properly. I gave it a few taps once everything was seated, and as you see, everything turned out really okay. All right, you guys. That's the new dash cam. Those are the lights I was talking about earlier that they'll turn on. And as a driver, you're not gonna see those lights, so they're not gonna bother you. You're definitely gonna need an SD card. You will see in the next clip. I turned this on, connected it to the Wi-Fi, and was able to see the quality. The quality was really good. Now, my apologies, the front windshield is not as clean. I mean, you can see it's a little bit hazy. It's not really that clean, but the quality regardless was really good. They claim this is a 4K. I would say it is truly a 4K because the quality was really good. The picture was very clear, just the windshield was hazy. And on the other side is where your SD card would go. Just right there, let me see. Yeah, here we go. Right there, your SD card would go. Like I said, you're definitely gonna need an SD card. This will not work without an SD card. I mean, you can connect it to your phone and have your phone, like, you know, turned on in front of you, and like you can watch the dash cam, but it's still not gonna work. And it only turns on while the car is on. So this is not gonna record while the car is off. Although in the link I will drop in the description below, there is options for ones that will record while the car is off, but those involve more wiring, so you have to run a harness or wire to the glove box and hook it up on a fuse that's always on. All right, so whether you have an Android or a iPhone, you can still find this app in the App Store or in the Google Play Store. You can download the app, click on Add Camera, click Next, and then Add Camera. This will take you to the settings on your phone. You connect to the Wi-Fi. The name of the Wi-Fi will differ from one camera to the other. My password was 1234567 It will also tell you the password in the booklet that will come with it, but that's pretty much the quality of the camera. You guys could see I was moving to see how fast it picks up, or like whether there's a lag or whatnot, but it's actually quite quick. Like, it's literally right there. And this is my attempt to put full screen for you guys. Picks up everything very quick. Quality is very good. All right, you guys, look at that. If that doesn't look OEM, I don't know what does. It looks pretty slick. All right, and that sums up the installation process and unboxing for this dash cam. If you guys have any questions, make sure you drop them in the comment section below. And like always, make sure you like and follow for more.